When you move a magnet toward a coil of wire, it generates an electrical current. It is a reliable, repeatable phenomenon that powers our modern world. But this energy isn't a gift. The moment the magnet begins to move, the coil generates a magnetic field of its own that pushes back against the motion. This resistance is hard-coded into Faraday's law of induction. While the rest of the equation calculates the amount of voltage produced, this specific negative sign dictates the direction of that force. This is Lenz's law. It states that an induced current will always flow in a direction that creates a magnetic field opposing the change that created it. To understand why this happens, we have to look at how the system behaves when we try to force it out of equilibrium. Imagine we have a conductive wire coil, and we push the north pole of a bar magnet toward the opening. As the magnet approaches, flux increases, shown by growing red lines. The coil reacts, generating an opposing north pole, these blue lines. By pointing your right thumb away from the magnet, your curling fingers reveal the induced current's path, maintaining this defensive field. By creating this magnetic repulsion, the system is physically attempting to stop the increase in flux. Now, look at what happens when we reverse the motion and pull that north pole away from the coil. The coil is now losing magnetic flux, shown by these fading red lines. To oppose this drop, the coil creates an attracting south pole to pull the retreating magnet back, represented by these new blue lines pointing toward it. When you flip your thumb to match this new field direction, your fingers curl the opposite way. The current in the wire instantly reverses. Whether the magnet is moving in or out, the coil's only objective is to cancel out the change and return to its original state. This logic applies even when there are no moving magnets at all. Consider a straight wire carrying a current, with a separate wire loop sitting just above it. Using the right-hand rule on the straight wire shows us it is creating a magnetic field that points straight up through the loop. We represent this outward field with these dots. Now, suddenly decrease the current in the bottom wire. As it drops, the upward flux disappears, and the dots inside the loop vanish. The loop reacts by inducing a counterclockwise current to replace the missing field, pushing flux back out. By identifying the original field and determining how it is changing, the direction of the current becomes a matter of simple geometry rather than guesswork. Why is the universe so insistent on this cycle of opposition? Consider what would happen if Lenz's law worked the other way, if a coil actively attracted an incoming magnet instead of repelling it. The attraction would pull the magnet in faster, which would create more current, which would increase the attraction even further. The magnet would accelerate forever, creating energy out of nothing. Since we know that's impossible, Lenz's law acts as a cosmic check and balance. To get electricity out of the coil, you have to perform actual physical work to overcome that magnetic repulsion. The mechanical energy you spend pushing that magnet is exactly what is being transformed into the electrical energy flowing through the wire. Ultimately, Lenz's law is how the universe enforces the conservation of energy. It ensures that every watt of power generated is earned through physical effort. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll see how these same rules allow us to step voltage up and down in household